My bad, I was muted. What up, Crash and Burn? What's going on, bro? I was saying this indicator took the short. You got London lows, Asia lows sitting down here. Pretty much equal lows down there. And the indicator's in a short. I like those equal lows sitting at the London Asia low. Oh yeah, you like the cut? Let's go, man. I think it looks pretty sharp. It looks more classy. It's got this rating of B here. But there it is. That would have been a break even. Went up about 17 points there. Nico, any platforms, bro? Lucid, Tradeify, TopOne Futures, Hypertix. Anybody check out Hypertix, man? They've got some good deal going on with code Slade over at Hypertix. Heyo. We're gonna run a giveaway today, man. If you guys smash the like buttons, we'll run a giveaway. We gotta smash the like button though. Anybody want a giveaway? Let me see here, man. Let's see how we want to do this. All right, there we go, man. Smash the like button, type !Slade, and you will be entered into the giveaway, man. We're doing a giveaway today. Hypertix giveaway. Come on. Come on, man. Market's going up. Is the market ever gonna stop going up? It's flying, dude. Past 2 days, if you just close your eyes and long, you're making money. You know what I'm saying? That's the strat. Past 2 days, man. All right, the indicator's in a long right here to the upside, dude. A+. It's got all the check marks, so let's see if this can play out here. We got all the check marks to the upside. A+, Slade sauce, liquidity sweep, delivering from a 15-minute fair value gap, good displacement, clear targets. It's got it all, man. It's got it all. Come on. Can it pump, though? Can it get the pump? Can it get the pump, dude? Can it get the pump? There it is. There's the pump. TP1 smacked. Let's see if it's going to be a break even. Yep, would have been break even right there. Smack TP1, then break even. But that was a smack. I like the shorts, to be honest with you guys. You've got equal lows sitting right down here, man. London low and Asia low. You've got equal lows sitting down here. So if I was personally looking for a trade, I'd be looking for these lows to get smacked. To get smacked, man. Personally. So you know what? Since I'm thinking that, let's put this on. Look at this. You go in here to the bias. My bias is bearish, right? So if I turn on bearish right here, it's only going to call out these short setups now. Boom. And we want to go right down there. Let me turn this up. Swing length. That'll go for bigger targets. And let's see, man. Let's see if we can get a trade down to this London low down here. NQ, yeah, we're on NQ. We're on NQ. Can you help me? Help you what? What do you need help with, my man? Yo, what up, Adam Daz? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. I'll put this back on default because you can clearly tell this is not gonna be good. I'll put it back on the default here. I'll still keep it on bearish since I do want shorts to the downside here. All right. Yeah, this is MNQ. Looking for shorts, guys. We're going to be doing a giveaway. We've got equal lows down here at the London low, Asia low. So I think it would be smart to look for these to get taken out at some point today, man. Anytime you got these equal lows like this and it's at the session lows, good chance for these to get taken out here. So let's see if those can get taken out. Indicators in a short right now. It's kind of got some close targets though. Yeah, man, we're doing a giveaway, man. You got to smash the like button. I need to see enough likes on the stream here. If we don't get enough likes, they're going to cancel the giveaway, guys. They literally told me, they said, if you don't get enough likes today, we are not going to give you an account to give away. And I said, man, that's too bad. I said, that's too bad. I said, you know, I said, chat will pull through. They'll get the accounts. I mean, they'll get the likes up. They'll get the likes up. Nah, this is just the indicator. This is the indicator. I've got it set to bearish right now, to only look for short setups because I am personally bearish. I think we come down here to the London and Asia lows down here, man. At some point. You know, maybe this is wrong right here, but some point today, man, we are gonna come take these lows out. Look at these equal lows. You got Asia low sitting right here. You got London low sitting right there. Who thinks is going to leave those lows down there? You'll like 10K times? Let's go, man. Smash it. Smash the like button. When the stop loss is that big, doesn't that invalidate the trade? I mean, yeah, you don't have to take this trade. The indicator just calls out these setups here. This is a grade B. You know, you could personally not want to take this trade. You could go for bigger targets, right? There's another target. You could actually target this low right down here. You know, you can kind of set your own targets. It just says, hey, based on all the stuff it's coded with, this is a nice trade to the downside to at least reach this TP1 right here, with a stop loss up to here, right? That's where these stats come from, but you can adjust the settings and everything. I changed it back. It's very customizable now. You can change the swing lengths, the swing stop loss look back. So all this stuff you can kind of change around. If you want to go for bigger targets, you just turn up swing length up to, it was on 3, you can turn it up. Now it's on 5. It should go for a little bit bigger targets here. But let's see, man. Plus, I got it on bearish right now. If I turn this on neutral, then it'll look for longs and shorts. It's probably in a long. It's stopped out of that long. Break even stop. But that was an A+ setup. The only reason I've got it on bearish right now is because we've got equal lows down there. We've got equal lows down there, man. I think it's going to go hit these equal lows at some point. And then I could also turn this up a bit more here. Go for some bigger TPs. Look at that TP. Oh, but it got stopped. It got stopped, man. The indicator, let's see if you just keep it on neutral, man. Keep it on neutral. I'm trying to be smarter than the indicator. The indicator's smart itself. There are no equal lows. It's a higher low. Is it really? Oh, I'm on MNQ. I bet you NQ doesn't have those equal lows. It is, dude. It is. I'm on, they're still relatively equal though. I bet you these still come get smacked through today. Bet you they get smacked. All right. Let's see. What time do you usually go live in the morning? I'm live every day. I'm live every single day here at 8 a.m. Eastern time. I was a little late this morning, man. A little late. I gotta, you know, I had to do some stuff this morning. Yeah, stopped out and ran. I had the settings on bearish here. I'm gonna leave it on neutral. I'm gonna let the indicator do its thing. I was trying to outsmart the indicator. I put it on bearish, so it only took bearish setups. But hey, we'll just leave it on neutral. Let it do its thing here. This was a break even. Hit that TP1 right here and got stopped at break even. We'll see, man. We got the London high sitting right up there. Market's been crazy, man. Crazy the past few days. Just straight up bullish. How many likes? How many likes do we have, man? Because we're going to be giving away a Hypertix account here today. Hypertix.com. This is the account we're giving away. I've milked a lot of payouts from them lately. Hypertix. Let's check them out, dude. Let's check them out. See what accounts they got here. You can trade futures or Forex on Hypertix. Make sure you use code SLADE. You get 50% off. Let's check out the account types here. Programs. Go right there and bring you right down here to the programs. For the futures, they got 4 different account types. Beginner, Instant Flex, Hyper, or Instant Pro Plus. I'm a big fan of the Instant Flex and the Instant Pro Plus, man. No evals. You just get straight into making money on those two. And they're really easy rules to get to the payout, actually. But these are the cheaper accounts, super cheap. With code SLADE, you get 50% off. So check them out, dude. Check them out. They're gonna be big here. They're not gonna be cheap forever because they have some really good accounts. $300 to blow your account. What should you do? You should try not to blow it. Try to win the next trade. Try to win. Try to win. Full port. Hey, that's it. You got to try it. Let's check out the 5-minute here. 5-minute, you're just kind of ranging around here on the 5-minute time frame, kind of moving up to the upside. Mark's getting real slow here, man. Real slow. Oh, this 8:15 candle, that was a news candle. You had orange folder news at 8:15 right there. How the heck am I in the jewelry industry and not trading gold? I used to trade gold all the time, dude. If you're an OG of the channel, you know I used to trade gold all the time, man. I would, so I used to trade the London session 15-minute opening range, and whatever would come first, whether that was gold or NASDAQ, that's what I would take, man. So if you're an OG of the channel, let's check out how it did today, actually. Let's go check it out. Let's go check out the 15-minute opening range here. So if we go over here to London session, 3 a.m. to 3:15, I'll show you the strategy I used to trade. So right here, you got the high. Boom. High right there. And where's the low? Boom, right there. So this is what I used to do, man. I used to wait on a breakout and I would play the retest down and I would go for 200 bucks. So look, it broke out to the bottom. I would have got in short on the retest right there. And I already forgot, dude, how many gold is more. So like, that would have been 200 bucks, wouldn't it? Maybe not. But gold is more, so this is what I would have played right here. Something like this. And then on NQ, let's see if NQ played out today. NQ, 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock was right here, man. The high was right here. And where was the low? Where was the low? Right there. NQ played out nicely, dude. Look at this one. So you kind of started to break out here, play the retest. And it dropped, dude. It dropped big time. Nah, I would do 3 a.m. to 3:15. The 15-minute opening range. That's what I used to trade. The opening range. Yo, what up, Phil? This indicator, man, this is the IFVG Pro Plus indicator, man. IFVG Pro Plus. Malsev, join the free Discord. Join the free Discord, man. It sounds like just the spot for you. ESO. So I used to trade London session. That's why I use the 15-minute opening range for London session, as the indicator's calling out a C setup here. C setup on the indicator. It's about to hit TP1. There's TP1 right there. Can it run? Can it run to TP, to the full TP down there? Can it run? Can it run? There's 11 points. It gave 11 points. Can it run down here? Full TP would be 26 points. There's TP2 right there. Oh, it's running. Oh, it's running. Come on, give him that full TP right there. Give him that full TP. There it is. Boom. Indicator on fire today, man. 81% win rate on the indicator. It is on fire, dude. It is on fire. It's on fire today. What time frame you use that indicator on? You trade on 15? I mean, you can use it on any indicator. I mean, on any time frame. I use it on the 1 minute. But if you want to use it on the 15-minute, you can do that. Let's see. So these are the settings. Look, max setup time frame. If you just turn this up to 15-minute, now it'll show setups on the 15-minute time frame. So let's see here if there's any 15-minute setups. It's actually in a big old long right now to the upside. Oh, look at this long it's in, dude. Yo, that's a 15-minute trade right there. And if you don't want the stop loss to be that big, say you wanted the smaller stop loss, you could do it like this right here. Turn on the max stop loss and it'll show you. It's got a 100% win rate today on the 15-minute time frame. It's in a short right now also. So that's it if you wanted to trade it. I like to trade the 1 minute though. 1 minute, keep this on 1, and max setup time frame. If you keep this on the lower time frames, then it'll just show the gaps here and the other stuff. It won't show the setups, which is how I like to do it. How do you get the indicator? Man, you can get the indicator 3 days for free. Just click that link in my bio, try it out, see if you like it. If you want the setups, the settings I run, you can join the free Discord, but you can get the indicator from that link in my bio. You can get 3 days free. Just try it out, see if you like it. Yeah, it's on TradingView. But we're getting ready to run a giveaway here, man. Type !Slade. Type !Slade to get entered into the giveaway here. Because we're going to do a giveaway, man. These are the people in the giveaway right now. You have got to type on one of these two platforms because the platform, you know, they make me, this doesn't support all the platforms you can see here. So if you want to enter the giveaway, you got to join, you got to type it in on one of these two platforms that you see on the screen right now. Exclamation mark Slade, smash the like button. Come to one of these two platforms and type exclamation mark Slade. We'll be running the giveaway here shortly. How does the indicator work? So, I mean, yeah, you clearly see it marks all this stuff out. I didn't mark any of it out. Whenever a setup prints, it'll mark it out just like this. If you want alerts, it can give alerts too. You just set it up over here. You click these three dots and you press add alert, and it'll alert you if you don't want to be watching the charts all the time. But it pretty much, let's see if a setup's going to print here to the upside. You're about to get an inversion to the upside. You see this gray box? That's a bearish gap. So let's see if it's going to print a bullish inversion here to the upside. Going after those London highs, maybe. There it is. You got an inversion to the upside now. It's got a big old target. I like to turn this down here. It's on 3. Let's see here, man. I would take some profits there at the London highs if it gets there. It's in a setup here. What's it? It's rated an A setup. Let's see if this is gonna win. A setup, delivering from a 15-minute gap, it says. So there's that gap, delivering from this 15-minute bullish gap down here. Got an A setup. Let's see, man. See if it's gonna pump. Let's see. All right. Let's check out here. So these are the people in the giveaway right now. We got 28 people in there right now. You got to type exclamation mark Slade to enter the giveaway. And let's go over here and see what account we are getting here for the giveaway. You're going to be getting a Hypertix account. Check them out, man. Use code Slade. This is one of my favorite prop firms right now, to be honest. I've absolutely milked them this year. Absolutely milked them. Go check them out. We'll check out their accounts here. They got 4 account types. You can trade futures or forex. It's really great about Hypertix. You can trade futures or forex. I like the futures. And then they have 4 different accounts down here. Beginner and hyper, those are going to be your evaluation accounts. You got to pass an evaluation. Over here, the Instant Flex and the Instant Pro Plus, these are straight to fundeds. So these are the ones I like to trade. I don't like to mess around with the evaluations, but these are going to be your cheaper accounts, and then these are going to be your, you know, instant funded accounts. So there you go, man. Use exclamation mark Slade. Look at this. You can get this 25K account here for $50 with code Slade. Pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. No activation fee. So go check them out. How is the payout? It's quick and easy. Do they require a buffer? It depends on the account type you go with, right? The Flex, it's 6 days, right? You don't really have to have a buffer. There's just minimum trading days. A Booba, you have to be on the right platform. It only accepts 2 platforms. You know, that red app, that's going to be the platform where you can get into the giveaway. So right here, these platforms you see on the screen right now, that's where you type exclamation mark Slade to get entered into the giveaway. Exclamation mark Slade. The indicator's in a long right now, boys. It just took a win on the short and immediately got into a long. but we're hosting a giveaway here. We're giving a free funded account away today. If you want to trade, this is a good chance to get entered, man, to get you a free account. There's only 32 people in the giveaway right now. Only 32 people in the giveaway. Good chance to win a funded account. Indicator just took a win to the short side. Now we are already back in a long setup here. And it says 2 contracts. If you're on 2 MNQ contracts, that would be $216 to the stop loss. So that's another good thing about the indicator here, is it'll show you how many contracts you need to be trading with. You can put in how much you want to be risking. I want to risk $250, and it tells me how many contracts I need to be entering here. So 2 MNQ contracts to the lows would be $216, which is fantastic. I don't have to do any of that calculating stuff like that. We got 33 people in there, man. 33 people. Disciplined Futures Trader is in the giveaway. Wizard, Ladder Wizard. David Javor, man, there we go. Member in the giveaway. Fields in there. Nathanator, come on. Blue Collar USA's in the giveaway. Nathan Godfrey, let's go. Adam Daz, Crash and Burn, Miss K, TJP in the giveaway. This is how you join, man. You go over to one of these platforms that you see right here, and you type !Slade. !Slade, either on this one or this one. There's 2 platforms the giveaway is being hosted on right now. 37 people in there right now. Devin's in there. There we go. I'm doing good, bro. Doing good. The indicator caught a short to the downside, and now it just hopped back in a long. It caught this short down for the full TP, and now it's in a long here to the upside. So let's see, man. Got the London high sitting right up there. Is that where it's headed? Is it headed for those London highs? Yeah, we got 42 people in the giveaway right now. We're giving away a Hypertix account. Hypertix trading account right now. Yeah, it's going off today, man. It's 81% win rate. 21-5. Killing it. It's killing it, man. But this stop loss is kind of big. So if you didn't want to have stop losses that big, you could turn max stop on, and it wouldn't show these trades with these big stop losses. You see like that? It's not calling that long setup because the stop's too big. But if you just want to leave it how it does, you just leave that off. Yeah, that's automated. Yep, you got it. Botrix. This is where the giveaway is going on. So when you type !Slade, that's how you get entered in here. It looks for if you type !Slade and you get entered into the giveaway. We got a cool giveaway today, man. We got a cool giveaway going on because we're doing something a little different than the duck race today. It's the same kind of concept as the duck race, but we're gonna be going to the moon, man. We're gonna be going to the moon today in the giveaway. We're all gonna get on our rocket ships and we're gonna fly to the moon. First one to the moon is gonna get the giveaway account. Does it work for CFD? Yeah, man. Hypertix, they got futures or Forex accounts. Appreciate the follow right there, my man. So look at this. The good thing about Hypertix, if you didn't want to trade futures and you wanted to trade Forex, you could do that on Hypertix. So this is the account we're giving away. I've withdrawn over $50,000 from Hypertix this year alone, just from Hypertix trading these accounts. They got 4 different account types, 2 evaluation accounts, 2 instant funded accounts. So if you don't want to trade those evals, there you go. Code Slade will get you 50% off. Don't pay full price, because Code Slade will get you 50% off. But yeah, we're doing a giveaway right now. Type !Slade while we're watching this indicator absolutely print money out of thin air. So it's in a long right now. We'll see if this thing wins. It's going up here for these London highs. The indicator thinks the market's going to the London highs up there. We'll see. We'll see, won't we? You're in a sale. Hey man, like personally, I am favored to the shorts, right? We've got relative equal lows down here at the London and the Asia lows. So I'm favored to the shorts, but I just let the indicator do its thing. But personally, at some point, I think it's going to go down there to those London, Asia lows down there. But just letting the indicator do its thing, it'll take some wins, it'll take some losses. But you can see if you just let it do its thing, it's going to win, man. Just let the indicator do its thing. You would join Hypertix, but they don't have Tradeify. Man, they don't have it right now, but they do have some really good stuff. Let me show you here what Hypertix has. So you can literally trade straight from TradingView. So let's go in here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here, man. Look at all the platforms they offer, dude. You got deep charts. A lot of people are using deep charts right now. They offer TradingView, so you can trade straight from TradingView. They got a TOS and Quantower. So the big one here is going to be TradingView. You can trade straight from TradingView. They offer a bundled discount, but watch what happens when you type in code Slade. I like the TradingView or deep charts. These are the 2 platforms I like to use. TradingView, deep charts, but they do offer TradingView. So watch what happens when you type in code Slade here. I like this here because guess what? I can type in my own code and I can get 50% off. On most platforms, I cannot type in my own code, but look at this. I type in code Slade, boom, 50% off. You can get an account for 49 bucks, no activation fee. Come on. Come on, dude. This indicator, did you update it? Jasquar, there was an update on the indicator last night. Make sure your settings are the same as mine here. I made an update to the indicator, more customizable. But these are pretty much default here, pretty much the default settings. Does the promo code work for CFD? Yeah, it should work for CFD. It should work for it all. Let me check here. Let's check out. I haven't even really checked out the CFD side of things here. So you can do 1 step. Let's check it out, man. I don't even know about the CFD really. You got 1 step, 2 step evaluations. Then you've got instant plus and hyper instant. So let's look, man. You can get a 5K CFD account. Let me try to log in first. Hang on. Let me see about this. Let me see about this. Let me do some research here. Let me do some research here. Let me do some research. Market is just slowing down to a crawl here. All right, I have to check on that. My code should work for the CFDs also though, but let's do it here, man. Let's do it. We got 54 people in the giveaway right now. You're approaching the final minute here. I'm about to run the giveaway. Make sure you're smashing the like button. Hit that like button for me. If you know, just smash the like button for me and type !Slade to be entered here into the giveaway, because we're about to run it. We're about to run it right now. And we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. The indicator is a monthly fee, but you can get 3-day free trial to test it out. See if it makes you some money. 3-day free trial on the indicator. And it's printing 81% win rate to date. All right, here we go. Final few seconds. I'm going to give you 10 seconds here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All right, let's get them. We're going to the big launch house, baby. That's what I'm talking about. The big launch house. About to get ready. Here we go. About to paste the names in, and then we're going to run the giveaway here. Who's going to win a free account this morning? Who's going to win? We're going to put 60 seconds on the clock. And we're about to launch. We're about to launch here. Here we go. 60 seconds. And boom. We're taking off. We're taking off. We're going to the moon here. Look at all these names. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. The names are kind of small here, man. Ain't gonna lie. You can see here who's in front though. Stoned Trades 420 is in the front right now. We're going to the moon. First person that gets to the moon is gonna get this giveaway account here. And we're flying. We're flying up. Jan is in the lead right now. There's the moon. Oh, Adam Daz. Adam Daz got the win there. Adam Daz. Everybody else is trying to make it to the moon, but there's only one winner here, and that is Adam Daz. He made it to the moon first. That was a quick little race, ain't gonna lie. But there we go, man. Oh, one just gives you a speed boost. But there we go. Look at that. Adam Daz with the win. TJP with a close second there. Devin came in 10th. But hey, there's only one winner in this race. Oh, snap. Is the indicator going to take a loss here, man? We're retesting this inversion. Retesting the inversion here now. Got a bunch of highs stacked up there. Let's see. I'm going to go post this in the Discord, man. The winners for today. And Adam, just message me in Discord here. I'll get that. We'll get that account set up for you. There we go, man. Someone bumped into you and you went off course. Hey, man, that happens sometimes. That happens. I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you. If this thing starts to drop, you better watch out, because I think these London and Asian lows are going to get taken here today. The indicator's in along. Maybe you can get saved, but it's about halfway to stop loss right now. But these stacked lows down here at the London and Asia low, they look pretty juicy, man. I ain't gonna lie. Got these equal lows down here. Equal lows. The indicator's trying to roll over. I mean, NQ's trying to roll over here. You're on Mars? Oh, snap. That might have been where they were going. I don't know, man. It looked like they were going to the moon to me. It looked like the moon. Yeah, I go live every single day, man. Every single day at 8 a.m. Eastern time. The indicator has called out a shorts. Since we've been on stream, it called out this short to the lows. It won, and now it's in this long trade here. Stop loss at the lows. But we'll see, man. We will see if it's going to take a loss here or not. It's got an 81% win rate today. We'll see. If it can hold this inversion, it can go back up. Like, just because it's in drawdown, you know, it can still hold this inversion. Now, if it closes below here, then that's a different story, right? That could be, hey, we're definitely gonna come hit this stop loss. But as long as it holds this inversion, you know, I usually don't get too worried. Indicator settings, yeah, man, I'll show them. This is what I'm running right now. You got the color scheme here, so if you got a light chart, you can switch this to light. Right now I've got it on dark theme, because I got the dark charts background. But here you go. I'm gonna do a quick run through. Bias, neutral if you wanted to call out both. If you have a long bias, you can do bullish. Short bias, you can do bearish. All right. Minimum grade, C is going to show every setup. If you only want to show A setups or A plus, you can check those off here. Minimum IFEG size, this is going to show every gap. It doesn't matter the size. You can do it on auto if you want. I just got it to show every gap. This is going to be how far back it looks for gaps. So I just have it on 600. You know, I don't care. I can look for really far gaps back. That's fine with me. Max setup time frame. So this is going to be, now if I switch to the 5-minute time frame, it's not going to show setups, it's just going to show the gap. So you can see we've got an inversion here, and it's going to show the levels, but it's not going to show those setups. So that's what that means. As it's coming back up here, like I said, if it holds this inversion down here, it could still move higher. Let's see what else we got. If you only wanted to trade a certain time window, you can set that up here. Swing length. This is going to be how far it looks for targets. So I don't like it to go for too big of targets. I just have it on 3. Swing stop loss. So this is actually, these are about the same right here, because it looks for 3 different targets. So swing length 3 and swing stop loss. that's kind of going to be your good point there. Swing stop loss is how big of a stop loss it looks for. You can see if you don't want the TP to be too far or too close, you can set that up here. 0.25R max is 0.5R right now. That's kind of the default. That's a good little place to have it. You can set the max TP distance. So right now it's going for a 3 risk reward. That's the maximum it will go for. And that's pretty much it, man. If you don't want the stop loss to be too big, you can also set the max stop here, so it won't call out trades where the stop loss is too big. So you see there, now it's in another long to the upside. But this will pretty much have smaller trades here if you have that on. So there you go. That's pretty much it. Everything else is kind of just customization, but that's the main settings there for the indicator. That's it. Short on gold is clean. Let's go take a look, man. Let's take a look at gold here. Let me save these as default, these settings. I really like the way they are right now. Save as default. So now if I come over here and look at gold, let's take a look here at what gold's doing. Whoa, gold's going crazy. Gold is going crazy. Oh yeah, it got the short there on gold. Look at that nice little short. 74% win rate on gold today. This is TradingView, man. Works on TradingView. Yeah, this is NQ right here. MNQ. It's moving its way back up. Like I said, holding this inversion right here. So held that inversion, didn't close below it. So now it can move its way back on up here. You can click that link in my bio. You can get a 3-day free trial to this indicator. 3-day free trial. You can try it out. Cancel it, you won't have to pay anything, but you can try it out for 3 days for free. And join the Discord if you want to check out my settings and stuff. I got my settings in the Discord. Now it's moving up here. It was back in profit there for a second. Can it continue on higher here? Can it continue higher? Ugh. Yo, what's up, Arse? I just showed the settings. You can rewind the video or just take a quick screenshot here. These are the settings I like to run on it. All you need, this is all you need right here. Boom and boom. Trade and general. Everything else is pretty just customization settings. But take a screenshot of these trade settings and general settings if you want my exact settings for the indicator. Hit TP on that short. Nice, bro. A lot of ways to trade the market. Can make money both ways. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Yes, sir, Ty Mick. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to head out of here. I'm about to go trade in the Discord. I'm about to go trade in the Discord with the group, but join the free Discord if you're not in there. Make sure you're using code Slade. Check out Hypertix, man. They have some really good accounts. Check out Hypertix. Use code Slade to get 50% off. And check out the indicator, man. But anyways, I will see everybody tomorrow if I don't see you in the Discord. But join the free Discord, man. I want to hang out with everybody in there. Chat it up. We'll talk about indicator settings and stuff. But anyway, I'm out of here. Have a great day, everyone. See ya.